final prep on the Atteberry Motorsports Bronco for the 4600 race tomorrow morning. So,
recovering from a little hiccup.
yeah, there was a fitting failure on the main fuel line that heads into the high pressure pump. Dumped about 3 gallons of fuel into the skid plates. And then once it ignited, it was like a mini explosion under the hood. As you can see, it's pretty torched up in here. Actually blew through all the grommets and the firewalls and went up into the dash. If you go look at the dash on the passenger side, on the top side of it, you can see it's pretty squashed in there. All the way through.
Dude, we got done after Quito, and I went to jump in the car. We were gonna mob out of King, like 10 Kings. I went to jump in the car to open the door, the entire door fucking fell off. And I was like, shit, Josh is like, put it back on. And I was thinking, and I'm like, I can't get it. It's fun, put a bolt in it next time. Yeah. He tried. He tied it to the back. I'm like, sweet. And I'm sitting here with my phone. I put lead nav on my phone because the iPad went dead.